Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for continuing to support me. I really appreciate it. And anybody who's new, thank you for watching and I hope you consider subscribing. Like always, I've already prepped these nails, buffed and put a coat of the base coat from iMethod on them. And I'm just going to get right into the design. I'm going to use this beautiful pink uh, gel polish from Beetles. Super pretty color. I absolutely love it. I don't think I've used it before, but it's it's really pretty. So I'm just gonna start with the three middle fingers, and I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do with the thumb and the pinky yet, so I'm just gonna leave those plain for a little while, but I'll show you what I do, of course. So plus you can tell by the picture. But so I'm just gonna work on these three. I'm gonna do like the French uh, basic pink and white, but I'm gonna add a little bit of chrome to them and make these really cute 3D daisies using my carving gel. And just so you know, I do put two coats of the pink and the white on all of the nails. I'm gonna go ahead and put the top coat on all of the nails, even though the pink, I probably could have done the chrome on the pink without a top coat because it wasn't sticky, but the white was, so I'm just gonna coat all of them. And at this point, I have not decided what I wanted to do with the pinky and the thumb, but um, I just went ahead and ended up doing them all pink, both pink, because I know I wanted to put chrome on all of them, so I had to hurry up and make a decision by the time I got to that part. So after I do this, that's when I decide to do them both pink, and that way I can put the chrome on all of them at the same time. Now that I've got that beautiful chrome on, I need to protect it. So I'm just gonna put lightly, very gently, put a coat of top coat on there. You don't want to move your brush around too much because you could take some of that powder off, but just do it gently and it should be fine. To make these adorable daisies, I'm using this carving gel. I've used it before. It's, again, I still don't know how to pronounce it. It's either Chi or Shay, CHE. Um, and I'm going to use my silicone tool, my little cuticle pusher slicer, whatever this thing is, but I always use it. It helps me cut into the 3D gel, the carving gel, very easily. Even though it's really soft, it just helps scoop it up. But I'm having a little difficulties keeping it on the nail, making it stick, and usually, I mean, roughing the surface up a little bit where you're gonna put this your 3D work is a good idea. I did not do that, but it is a very good idea to just buff that surface a little bit. And I'm using the iMethod base coat for my slip, and I already had that on my palette, so sorry I don't think I showed it to you. So yeah, just gentle pressure, um, very easy to move this stuff around. It doesn't take much at all. Um, and then I flash cure in between petals, just so I don't mess it up. And sometimes the gel will settle and it'll kind of lose its shape if you take too long. So I just flash cure it 10 seconds and then I move on. So it's pretty easy. If you can work quickly, you don't really have to flash cure in between, but I don't work very quickly sometimes. The adorable little daisies are done, and then I'm going to use these um, cute little silver caviar beads to embellish a little bit. And I don't know, I see some people who can do these caviar beads so quickly. I don't do them a lot, use them a lot, so maybe it's just practice, but I mean, I have so many problems with them every time. And then the magnetic part of the nail stand that I use pulls them. So, I mean, yeah, I have the hardest time with these things. So, good for those people who actually do these very, very quickly and doesn't seem like they have it just doesn't seem like they have any problems. So I just need to practice more, I guess, but I finally get there and it looks adorable. There's the daisy. It's crazy how just a little bit of detail can make such a difference on your design. I mean, just a few little silver beads, and it just, I don't know, it just adds. A little is a lot, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. So these cute little dots are another fine detail that made a big difference on this whole nail. It's just all so simple, so easy. Doesn't take that much time, and it just turned out so super cute. There they are, all done. I love them. I love them. They're just simplicity at its best, as far as I'm concerned. I think they'd be pretty for a cute little spring wedding, Valentine wedding. Um, I don't know. I just love the colors. I love them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or want to leave a comment, please leave them down below in the comment section. And I do have links for all of this stuff down below in the description box. And please like, subscribe, and share.